Number 14, the diagram shows a boat that is anchored at point B in the river. There are two boat ramps on the far side of the river, shown by points A and C here and here. The boat is 120 meters from ramp A and 150 meters from ramp C. If B is 110 degrees, what is the approximate distance between the two boat ramps to the nearest meter? Now, let's take a look at this triangle here. We have two sides of the triangle, and oftentimes we get such in the habit from a math growing up that we think, oh, if we have two sides, we can just use Pythagorean theorem to find a third. But Pythagorean theorem only works if you have a 90-degree angle. Here we have over 100, we have 110 degrees, which is over 90. And because of that, neither one of these could be 90, as the triangle has a total of 180 degrees. So I can't use Pythagorean theorem. Secondly, someone might ask, well, these look like they're the same, so I could take this away from 180, which would be 70 degrees, and say these must be half of 70, so 35 and 35, and I can use law of sines. That's not accurate because this length is shorter than this length, which means this angle over here is larger because it's across from the larger angle than, larger side, and this angle is smaller because it's across from the smaller side. So they're not equivalent angles. So how do we solve it then? I can't use law of sines because I don't have a completed set, so I must use the law of cosines. Pull that up right here, law of cosines. There's three of them. So if they gave us capital B for the angle, I'm going to use this formula there. That's what I'll use. And so the formula states that B squared equals A squared plus C squared minus 2AC times the cosine of angle B. Now we can plug in our values here. We're looking for B, because that's across from capital B. 150 is technically the A, not that it matters really which one we put where. So I'll say B squared equals 150 squared plus C is across from capital C, so that would be 120. Again, it doesn't mathematically matter what order you put these in, but I'm just going to follow the diagram so that we can see exactly where everything's coming from. And so I have 150 times 120 times the cosine of angle B, which is 110 degrees. Now we can type this in the calculator to get an answer. And not only that, to get B by itself, what we'll do at the end is take the square root. And normally we would do plus or minus anytime we had a square root. But because this is a distance, I'm only going to look at the positive value. So I'm going to come over here to my calculator. And here it is, calculator. Go square root of 150 squared plus 120 squared minus 2 times 150 times 120 times the cos of 110 degrees, and cos meaning cosine, of 110 degrees. I press enter. It says it's 221.8, and it says round to the nearest meter. And so our answer here would be 222 meters when we round. This would be our boat ramp.